When working with Ocal PVC coated conduit, special wrenches are required to protect the coating. A J-wrench and a non-absorbent strap wrench are two tools recommended for use when tightening PVC coated conduit. Conventional slip joint pliers will cause severe damage to PVC coating. Ocal offers J-wrenches that are of a slip joint design with extra wide jaws that protect the PVC coating while gripping. A strap wrench can also be used to tighten PVC coated conduit. Be sure to use a strap wrench with a non-absorbent strap, normally designated by its yellow color. Avoid using conventional strap wrenches with a white strap, as they will absorb oil over time and will slip when used with PVC-coated conduit. To learn more about Ocal products and technical specifications, scan this QR code.